Pot feet explained, lifting your understanding. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, pot feet. If you're curious about what it means and how it's used, then you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of this phrase together. The term, pot feet, can be understood by breaking it down. 1. Pot. A container, usually made of clay or ceramic, that is used for holding plants. 2. Feet. The lower extremity of the leg below the ankle, on which a person stands or walks. So, when combined, pot feet refers to small, often decorative, supports that you place underneath a plant pot. They lift the pot slightly off the ground or surface. But why use pot feet? Pot feet serve multiple purposes. 1. Drainage. By elevating the pot, any excess water can easily drain out. This is especially important for plants that don't like sitting in water. 2. Aesthetics. Decorative pot feet can add an extra touch of beauty to your potted plants. 3. Protection. Raising the pot can protect surfaces from potential water damage or staining. 4. Air circulation. Elevating the pot ensures better air circulation around the pot, which can be beneficial for the plant's health. Though the term pot feet is primarily used in a gardening context, understanding its use will help you sound more fluent when discussing related topics. Here are some examples. 1. I got some beautiful pot feet to elevate my new ceramic plant pot. 2. Using pot feet can improve drainage and prevent root rot. 3. You might want to consider pot feet if you're worried about water rings on your wooden table. And there you have it. Pot feet isn't just about plants walking around, but about giving them a little lift for health and aesthetics. We hope you found this explanation enlightening and that you'll be more confident in using the term in your conversations. Happy learning! Until next time.